guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to double space your text in Microsoft Word. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Next, select the text you want to double space by clicking and dragging over it. Now go to the Home tab in the Word ribbon, find the Paragraph section, and look for the line and paragraph spacing icon. It looks like lines with an arrow pointing up and down. Click on this icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, select 2.0 for double spacing. This will set the line spacing to double the size of your current font. And there you have it! Your selected text is now double-spaced in Microsoft Word. Double spacing can be useful for essays, reports, or any document that requires clear and readable formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!